Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NCLH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Done this analysis in the past, so that is where this green line here is coming from, and that's actually playing a vital role in terms of setting up the context of what's going on into next week. And the context is that right around 1250 was a very important area of support, very historic. You can see it did a good job there acting as support. And then you look here and you can see that the price is now technically actually broken a little bit below it. So the big question going into going into next week is, is this the start of something bigger? Is there more bloodshed to come? Because the thing to remember with supports and resistance levels is they're not exact specific prices. There is a range element associated with them. And right now, yeah, I would still consider this being within the range of that level of support. But you better believe there's going to be a whole lot of people watching to see if the price shows any more sort of weakness at all. And what I would consider more weakness is this level right here at the $12 mark. So if $12 fails, no such thing as a guarantee, but that could definitely send the price down quite a bit more as the next overall level of support, not until down here around the 1075 mark. So that's over a dollar worth of potential downside movement on this one if there's a high volume break of 12. So like I said, am I going to call it a full-blown collapse today? Absolutely not. But $12 is going to be a level that a lot of people are going to be watching and curious about. So keep a close eye on that, because if that fails, then like I said, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It would not be shocking to see the price then enter into a downtrend that takes it to 1075, maybe even lower than that. But to be fair, maybe this level of support holds strong. The price gets a great bounce. And in that situation, the key area of resistance at that point would then be to keep an eye on that pink line there, the 200 period moving average, which is currently valued at just shy of 1350. So all in all, definitely a very interesting chart going forward. I know I'll be watching that $12 mark on Monday, so let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.